Hey there, everyone. It's me, your ever-so-friendly Investing Iguana, also known as Iggy, and I'm back with another super important topic that's absolutely crucial for all my fellow Singaporeans. Whether you're getting closer to hanging up your work boots and enjoying retirement, or you're just a smart cookie who wants to plan ahead for those golden years, you've definitely clicked on the right video to watch. Today, we're going to explore every nook and cranny of CPF Life, which is Singapore's very own, one-of-a-kind pension scheme designed to help you live comfortably when you're older. So, go ahead and grab your favorite cup of kopi or any other drink you like, and make yourself comfy because we're about to dive deep into this fascinating subject. But wait, before we jump into all the juicy details, do me a quick favor, go ahead and smash that like button below this video and hit subscribe so you won't miss out on any more of this awesome, informative content that I've got lined up just for you. Sure, let's dive into the simple stuff first. You know how in many places around the world, there's a system to give older people some money to live on when they retire? It's usually called a pension. Well, in Singapore, we have our very own unique version of that, and it's called CPF Life. CPF Life stands for Lifelong Income for the Elderly, and it's like a super special savings plan just for people who are 65 or older. So, what happens is, once you turn 65, this plan starts to give you money every single month. And the best part? It doesn't stop. As long as you're alive, you'll keep getting this money month after month. It's like having a never-ending birthday gift that keeps on giving. So, it's not just a one-time thing, it's a lifelong deal that makes sure you have some income to rely on for the rest of your life. Isn't that awesome? Alright, let's break this down so it's super easy to understand. The money you'll get every month when you retire is based on two main things. The first thing is how much money you've saved up in your retirement account, which is also called an RA. Think of your RA like a piggy bank for your older self. The more money you put into this piggy bank, the more money you'll get to spend every month when you retire. But that's not the only way to get more money. There's a second option, and it's called deferring your payouts. This means you choose to wait a little longer to start taking money out of your piggy bank. If you decide to wait until after you turn 65, you'll get even more money every month. For each year you wait, your monthly amount goes up by about 7%. So, let's say you were going to get between $750 and $800 every month starting at age 65. If you wait until you're 70 to start taking money out, you could get between $990 and $1,070 every month instead. So, you have choices, save more now or wait a bit longer to start spending, and either way, you'll end up with more money to enjoy your golden years. CPF Life is a really helpful program that gives you a bunch of advantages, especially when you get older and stop working. One of the coolest things about it is that it promises to give you money every month for the rest of your life. Imagine having a money machine that never stops. That's what the guaranteed monthly payout from CPF Life is like. It's like having a safety net made of money that you can always count on when you're older and not working anymore. But wait, there's more. CPF Life isn't a one-size-fits-all thing. It lets you pick from different plans. Think of it like going to an ice cream shop with lots of flavors. You can choose the one that you like the most. Whether you want more money now or more money later, there's a plan that's just right for you. And the best part? This program is like a portable money machine. Let's say you decide to move to another country when you're older. Guess what? Your CPF Life money will follow you there. You'll still get your monthly payouts, even if you're sipping coconut water on a beach far, far away. So, in a nutshell, CPF Life gives you a reliable, never-ending flow of money, lets you pick a plan that fits you best, and will keep paying you no matter where in the world you are. CPF Life is a program designed to provide Singaporeans with a monthly income during retirement, but it's not perfect and has some downsides you should know about. First, there's the issue of being stuck with your choice. Once you pick a CPF Life plan, it's really hard to switch to another one, kind of like choosing a flavor of ice cream and not being able to change it later. Second, the money you get every month from CPF Life is usually not as much as what you could get from other retirement plans, like having a smaller slice of cake compared to other options. Lastly, there's the matter of what happens to your money if you pass away before turning 85. In that case, the remaining money in your CPF account won't go to your family or friends, almost like a game where you can't pass on your points to someone else. So, while CPF Life can be a good way to have some income when you're older, it's important to think about these drawbacks before making a decision. Alright, let's dive into the different plans you can choose from, and trust me, it's as easy as picking your favorite ice cream flavor. So, you have 3 awesome choices: Standard, Basic, and Escalating. First up is the Standard plan, which is like the go-to option. Imagine it as getting a bigger scoop of ice cream every month, but having less to share with your friends and family later. On the flip side, the Basic plan is like getting a smaller scoop each month, but you'll have more to share with your loved ones in the long run. Just a little warning, if you go with the Basic plan, your monthly scoops could get even smaller if your CPF account has less than $60,000 in it. It's like running low on your ice cream stash. Finally, there's the Escalating plan, which is super cool because it's like getting a 2% bigger scoop of ice cream every single year. This helps you keep up with things getting more expensive, like when your favorite hawker stall starts charging more for chicken rice. So, you see, each plan has its own perks and quirks, making sure you can pick the one that fits your life just right. Selecting a plan for your future isn't as easy as playing a quick game of eeny, meeny, miny, mo. You really have to think about how long you're likely to live. In Singapore, if you look at everyone from babies to old folks, the average person lives to be 82.6 years old. But that number can be a bit misleading because it starts counting from the day you're born. If you've already celebrated your 65th birthday, the situation changes. On average, people who are 65 years old can expect to live for another 20.8 years, which means they'll reach around 85 or 86 years old. So, if you're 65 and you're thinking, hey, I might live to be 85 or even older, then the Basic plan could be the best choice for you. It might offer you the most value for your money, helping you make the most out of your golden years. Sure, let's dive deeper into these numbers and break it down so it's super easy to understand, okay? Imagine you're 55 years old and you've saved up what's called the full retirement sum, which is $186,000. Now, fast forward to when you're 85 years old, and let's see how much money you could potentially have based on different plans. With the Standard plan, you could end up with anywhere between $356,198 and $394,035. That's a lot, right? But wait, there's more. If you go for the Basic plan, your money could grow to be between $419,830 and $460,126. That's even more money. Now, there's also something called the Escalating plan, where you could have between $340,656 and $380,192 by the time you're 85. So, what does all this mean for you? Well, if you think you'll live until you're 85, the Basic plan seems like the best choice because it gives you the most money. But hold on, if you're feeling super optimistic and think you'll live until you're 95 or even older, then you might want to consider the Standard or Escalating plan. These plans could offer you more money in the long run. So, depending on how long you think you'll live, you can choose the plan that will give you the most bang for your buck. Life is full of surprises, and you never really know what's going to happen next. It's impossible to predict exactly how many years you'll be around, but you can get a pretty good idea by looking at how healthy you are right now and the way you live your life. Think about the foods you eat, how much you exercise, and even how much stress you have, because all of these things can give you clues about your future health. Take a moment to really think about this. You might even want to talk it over with your family members, because they know you well and can offer good advice. Speaking to a financial advisor is also a smart move. They can help you plan for the future, especially when it comes to money matters. So, gather all this information and advice, and then make the most informed decision you can about what's best for you. It's all about taking steps today to set yourself up for a better, healthier future. As the last useful tip for CPF Life, let me help by breaking it down in terms of milestones so that you have a better understanding on what to do at what age. Age 55. When you reach the age of 55, it's a good time to start thinking about your future and how you'll live when you're not working anymore. One way to do this is by using a special tool called the CPF Life calculator. This calculator helps you figure out how much money you'll get every month once you retire. It's like a sneak peek into your financial future. Additionally, you can give your future self a financial boost by adding more money to your CPF savings now. This will make your monthly payouts bigger when you do retire, so you'll have more money to enjoy your golden years. Age 60. At 60, you'll get a letter in the mail from the CPF board. This letter will have important details about CPF Life, which is a program that helps you manage your money when you're older. You can also go to special events called CPF Life roadshows and seminars. These events are like mini classes where experts teach you all about how CPF Life works and how it can benefit you. It's like going to school, but for learning about your retirement. Age 65. When you turn 65, it's decision-making time. You'll need to pick a CPF Life plan that suits you best. Once you've made your choice, the money you've saved up in your CPF account will be used to buy something called a life annuity. Think of this like a magical money fountain that gives you a certain amount of money every month for the rest of your life. It's a way to make sure you always have money coming in, even when you're not working. Age 70, you have the option to delay or defer starting your CPF Life payouts until you're 70 years old. But there are some rules you have to follow. For instance, if you've been a super saver and have more than $500,000 in your CPF account, you can only delay your payouts until you're 67. It's like a game with certain rules you have to play by. Age 85. If something happens and you pass away before you turn 85, don't worry, your money won't go to waste. The remaining money in your CPF account will be given to the people you care about, like your family or friends. These people are called your beneficiaries, and they'll receive the money you've saved up, so you can still help take care of them even if you're not around. Alright, that's a wrap for today's deep dive into CPF Life. I hope this video helps you make a more informed decision about your retirement plans. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give us a like to show your appreciation. It helps us know what kind of content you find useful and valuable. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Here at the Investing Iguana, we're passionate about helping you achieve your financial goals with ease and peace of mind. And we have a lot more to share with you. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll explore other important financial topics like how to use CPF and SRS to boost your retirement savings, how to invest wisely and safely in the stock market, and how to make your money grow faster and smarter. We're so grateful to have you as part of our Investing Iguana family. Your support enables us to keep creating free content like this. Remember, every like, share, and subscribe makes a difference. Thanks for watching today. Keep investing, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.